Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Healthy Lifestyle. To those of you who are just stopping by for the first time, here we share different kind of tips for a healthy in a healthy way to help those of us who are losing weight, who want to lose their belly fat and many more. So those of you who have already subscribed, you guys are the best. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's just go to it right away. So today tips I'm going to be sharing is most especially with women, those of us who are struggling with excess fat on our stomach area here. I have been struggling with that for a while now and for a long time now. Yeah, so I ended up with this recipe and it worked for me very well. So I believe it's going to work for somebody out there. So while you just watch this video to the end, when after having it, just please tell me how well it worked for you. Drop the comments below, like and dislike, critique, everything is welcome. It really worked for me because what really matters is how you mix your ingredients, how you mix the fruits you take, or is a smoothie, whatever you're taking, how you mix it and how you take it really matter for you to get a better result. So I ended up with this recipe and it worked for me well by mixing the right things together, and it worked for me well. So I hope it's going to work for you too. So let's go to the kitchen please, and let's see what we're going to be having. Thank you for watching. So we are having one apple, two kiwi, and one lemon. Now we're going to dice everything. I've washed the apple. The apple is already washed. Everything is already washed. Yeah. Kiwi is very good for digestion, and it's high in fiber, boosts the immune system, and it's full of vitamin C. In fact, both the two kiwi and the apple, they are both high in antioxidants, high in fiber and vitamin, and which is good for your weight loss and help to fight against heart disease and diabetes. So everything that we're going to be having on this recipe is really good for your health on your weight loss journey, and is very good for digestion, and it helps to lose your belly fat. So I hope you guys really like it, and leave your comments below, please. Thanks. Everything that we're going to be having on this recipe is really good for your health. And also, studies have shown that apple contains abundant amounts of elastin and collagen that helps keep the skin young. So it helps you look younger, healthier, stronger. And once you take this every morning as your breakfast, first thing in the morning, I bet you feel energized, and you see your stomach just going down naturally. You won't feel that hungry. And yeah, that these are the two recipes that I believe that really worked for me, and that's why I'm sharing the secret with you guys. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, so this is it. Very simple. Take this in the morning. You see, my stomach have calmed down, and it was way bigger than this, and yeah, it worked for me like a magic. Yeah, and it tastes so good, very good, and it worked for you. Thank you for watching. Another quick one you can have in the morning like this, you take garlic, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix it with almond milk, any kind of milk you want. Just mix it all together. Take it in the morning, you'll see a better result. Yeah, those are the two drinks I have been taking for mornings in the mornings now, and it has worked for me. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you. So please guys subscribe and support my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless and stay tuned for next time. Bye.